After start, the APU electrical power can be connected to the generator buses. Do not use APU bleed air for 1 minute after start. Do not operate more than one pack. Due to the additional load on the APU, expect the exhaust gas temperature to increase. If the APU is needed for both pneumatic and electrical power, priority goes to electrical power, and bleed air to the pneumatic system is reduced automatically to maintain normal electrical output. When the APU is no longer providing pneumatic air, it can be shut down. Whenever possible, shut down the APU immediately following removal of the pneumatic load. The shutdown cycle includes closing the air inlet door and disarming the APU indicator lights and the APU generator off bus light. On a terminating flight, shutting down the APU may remove power from the airplane.